big problem is first trying to understand what are all the aspects that are contributing to it, what is our understanding of it, and how can we improve the human condition, how can we improve our lives, how can we improve the lives of others in the exploration for possible solutions.
You want to identify what is it I can do to make a difference. Well, we won't know whether you can make a difference unless you know where you need to make a difference. And in order to know where you make a difference, you need to know what the problems are.
So the idea behind this whole creative inquiry experiment was to say, we understand you're not journalists, we understand you're not theater professionals, we understand you're not sociologists. However, here's a thing that these people do. Journalists write articles about problems in society and they attempt to propose creative solutions. Artists explore the human condition by investigating these deep questions that we as human beings have about the people that we live with in this world. Sociologists do the same thing, but on a scientific level.
We inform, educate, enlighten. That's what we all need to strive to do, I think, and no matter what your profession is.
So this whole notion of canceling classes for the rest of the semester is very weird.
We hoped that the lab would be a time when we could sort of break into these theater, journalism, and then work with you one-on-one to kind of workshop, if you will, through your paper, your projects. We're losing that.
That's what we were going to do in the second half of the semester, and I feel terrible. You won't be able to physically show up in the classroom, but what does it mean to show up in this type of a landscape?
Hi, everybody.
I'll be recording that.
I was so close to hitting record, but I didn't. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was recording.
That's on the video now.
This is a really interesting time, and I hope that as we navigate through this, that we're going to learn stuff from this, right? And there's going to be costs, but we're actually getting an interesting gift in many ways. This is a weird opportunity that will probably never present itself again.
We're at a time too where we don't know what the next 2, 3 weeks, a month, 6 weeks holds. Our whole world, your world, has now just been disrupted in a fashion that is unprecedented, and it is truly the wicked problem. How do you achieve good work and good works in spite of it?
I encourage you to take some of these things that we've talked about as a class and put some of them into practice and see what you can come up with. And if it works, great. If it doesn't work, turn it in anyway. I am as much interested in failed experiments as I am in the successful ones. This is the first time we've tried anything like this, and so I'm thanking you in advance for your willingness to sort of, jump into the deep end with us and do something different, right? We want you to think outside the box. We've given you parameters, and within those parameters, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.